Speak of 222 with Dogecoin and you. We have some breaking news as the CPI comes in at 8.5%. As you know, we were talking about how it might be a little lower this month. It's not any sign of the economy or the recession waning. It's actually indicative of a lot more than what they're saying. More people have 2 and 3 full-time jobs, which I don't even know how that's possible, or 3 jobs as a whole, but 2 full-time and a part-time, or 2 part-time and 2 full-times. So it makes the job participation rate look better. The bottom line is we have a very weak economy. The U.S. dollar is we're struggling. Our paychecks aren't worth what they used to be. And now this looks like it could be nothing more than an artificial pump up. It doesn't really seem like this can maintain this without a push down first, but when they are, the manipulators are pushing it. Oops, I didn't mean to click XRP. I meant to click Ethereum. When the market manipulators are pushing this up, it's a very tough thing because we finally broke the ascending triangle yesterday. I took out a short in XRP, but I had to sell them in 6 segments, as you guys in here know. I'm going to show you. If you want to join me on BITGET, look in the video description below, as I'm an ambassador for BITGET, which is awesome because they're the first company that actually took me seriously in my ways. So, in the trades yesterday, and this was supposed to be a long-term short. So, after the 11.4% was the day before, from the day before's trade. So, we had 19.8, 16.3, 17.1, 22. Because I showed you guys these when we opened it, and I talked about how we were going to do a short position and just keep it on. Well, unfortunately, I seen in the charts last night when I was live on Twitch, I'm like, I got to get the hell out of these positions. After we had that initial crash, the flash drop. So I managed to do very well, and then it reversed very sharply, as you see, and I would have got liquidated. I would have lost that $130 or $40 now. U.S. and consumer. So the Dow jumps 400 points, NASDAQ surges 200%. So CPI, the inflation came in at 8.5 instead of 8.7%. I just wanted you guys to see I'm not full of shit. So that's what's happening right now. That's the breaking news this morning. CPI comes in at 8.5%. And Ethereum breaks back in within the ascending triangle. It's trying to use this as support at 1,784. So if we can use 1,784 as support, so that could in all reality be where the drop down would happen. 1,784 if we can't get any higher. And then we would have to hold this area right here. 1,778. So if we don't hold 1,778, that could be a big problem. And then we're going to have, this would be nothing more than a fake out. What we're looking for right now with Ethereum is to put in a bullish cup and handle. I will update you as the day goes on, but you guys really need to see this, because if this bullish cup and handle holds, we're coming up to about 2K. About 2K with Ethereum. If it breaks, we're coming way down, and your next targets are down there at 1,151. That's better than a, 35 to 40% dump. But that's if we prove that this ascending triangle does break bearish. If it remains bullish, this market still has a way to push. This could be a bull flag. And if this designs as a bull flag, the cold hard truth would be we'd have a likely son of a bitch. I hate how it does this. We'd have a likely retest right here. And then what would it do? It'd bring you right up to the top of the circle at about 1,939. You could target it at 1,924. So if we hold the uptrend, we're looking for a targeted move at 1924. If this proves to be nothing and we break down, we would be breaking down to about, the initial move would be 1644. So if we don't hold the uptrend, we come to 1644. If we hold the uptrend, we're coming up to about 1921. Make sure to hit that like button. It's an honor and a privilege.